Are you overwhelmed by managing your social media? Meet Edgar, your all-in-one social media scheduling solution. With Edgar, you'll save time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Ever feel like you're juggling multiple tools while struggling to post content on time? You're not alone. Many creators face this common challenge, juggling various platforms while trying to stay consistent. Edgar is here to solve this hassle. This AI-powered tool streamlines your social media management, allowing you to create, schedule, and publish effortlessly. First, Edgar comes with a limitless content library. You can store posts in specific categories, making it easy to repurpose evergreen content. Second, scheduling is a breeze. You choose when and what to post, and Edgar does the rest. Lastly, it provides real-time insights. You'll know which content connects the most with your audience. Unlike traditional schedulers that delete your posts after publishing, Edgar retains everything. It allows for easy content resharing, ensuring you never run out of posts. Ready to revolutionize your social media management? Click the link in the description to start your 30-day free trial with Edgar at Affiliate List Shop MeetEdgar. Like this video if you received value, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell. Don't let your content struggle. Let Edgar handle it all. Thanks for watching. All the tools you can get paid to promote are also free to sign up for. Everything you need to get started is completely free. Click the link in the description to start saving now. Your next viral post is just a click away. Grab the deal and supercharge your content creation today.